So this is what it sounds like before I change the speaker. So this is a locomotive with its body off, and as you can see here, these are the two speakers that were in it. I just put them in temporarily until I got the proper Soundtraxx one. This one is a ESU lock sound speaker, and the other one was from an MRC decoder for a gen set. So I just put them in and wired them in series. So what I'm going to do now is unsolder them from here and replace it with these. And this is the new sound speaker. It's a homemade baffle box. It's by Soundtraxx, and this is the recommended speaker for this decoder. It is a 810113 speaker, 2 watts, 8 ohms. I've soldered on the wires. Here's one I've done just to show you. So the wires are just soldered into position, and then this is just made out of 20 thou styrene glued on, and then it has the base on to totally enclose it, and the holes, these holes here, have just been covered with some black tack just to make it airtight around the side. So I'm just going to solder this on now and actually see if it works. Okay, so now I have soldered the new speaker onto the sound card, so I'm just going to try it on the layout to see how it sounds. Okay, so the little blue light's on, indicating we've got power, so let's fire her up and see if she sounds any better. That does sound a lot better to me. See what the horn sounds like. Oh yes. Okay, so I'm happy with that. All I have to do now is to figure out how to get that into that. And I think it's going to involve some major surgery. So anyone of a squeamish disposition may want to look away for this next bit. Well, I'm happy to report that the patient is out of surgery and is recovering well. So let's just see now if it starts properly. Just try the light. There you go, you see that's quite nice. It's a little bit too bright for my taste, it's the only one I had. So the next time I go to an exhibition, I think I may purchase some more, but get the warm white ones. Just a little bit too bright. But it works, which is the main thing. And of course the other lamp does work as well, but I haven't changed that one, primarily because I don't actually have one at the moment. Sorry about that, that was just a tumble dryer. So what I'm going to do now is refit the body and hopefully have a fully operational locomotive ready for service. So one last thing I've done before putting the body back together is to attach the little LED to the headlight unit. I've done this by drilling out a little hole and just inserting it and then just filling it with a little bit of super glue. I got this idea off 2448 Toyman. If you check out his channel, he does very good decoder installs and advice and things like that. Plus he's got a very nice layout, so do check him out. And one other thing, the black tack that I put round the speakers, I got the idea off Strathpeffer Junction. So thank you very much for that one. I always give a shout out to people. If I see a good idea, I'll use it. I'll give them a shout out. So I'm going to put the body back on now, and then we'll see how she looks. I'd just like to say though that by doing this, what I've done here, cutting off this weight and putting the speaker in the decoder, does of course invalidate any warranty that the locomotive may or may not have. In this case, I got this one off eBay, and I will be keeping it, so you know, short of death or bankruptcy, I won't be getting rid of it. But even if I do, of course they'll have a sound decoder and a nice speaker to go with it. So I'll put it all back together again and I'll see it on the layout. Just a quick update on the light situation. I tried to put the body back on, but it seems that this part of the lens unit was just catching on the speaker, so I had to cut it off. The light does still work, so I'm going to try and put it back on now, and hopefully this time it will work. So she's all back together again now, and we'll start her up and see how she sounds. Crank her up a little bit, let the brake off. Try the headlight. Smells quite nice, that. A little bit bright for my taste, but I think I'll be able to knock it down on the dimmer or change it out when I get one for a warm white LED. So I'll just let the brakes off and off she goes. Sorry about that dirty track. What we'll do now, we'll take her out again for a moment. Shut her down. Now, I did one earlier, and this is a U36C, if I'm not mistaken. I did this one exactly the same way as the GP38. Set the brakes off. Bring it to a stop. Again, I did the headlight in exactly the same way. Again, perhaps a little bit too bright for my taste, but it'll do. So we'll give it a bit of power. Rev her up. Release the brakes and say thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to put another video up soon. Thank you, bye bye.